What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape LinkedIn leads automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape leads using Claude, we're going to create a skill that will be responsible for scraping the leads for us. To create the skill, I'll click on customize and click on skills right here to create a skill. To create the skill, I'll click on create skill right here, and here I'm going to click on create with Claude to create our skill. I'll hit enter. Then here I'm going to go ahead and describe the skill I would like to create. Claude created a usable skill called LinkedIn leads that does the following: takes user inputs like target job title, industry or niche, location, the number of leads, and then search for leads from LinkedIn, and then add the leads data like their full name, job title, company, location, and their profile URL to a CSV file you can be able to download to a computer. So now to create this skill, I'll hit enter right here. Let's give it a minute or two for you to create our skill. So here you can see it successfully created our skill that will be responsible for generating our leads from LinkedIn. So it collects 5 inputs: the title, industry, location, count, and fields. It generates 5 leads. Then filters the leads to check for duplicates, and then saves the leads into a CSV file to download the leads. This is incredible. Here is the skill. Here's a description of our skill on how it's going to scrape our leads for us. This is incredible. Save our skill. Click on upload and replace. You can see that our skill was saved right here. So now to scrape our leads using this skill, I'll open a new chart right here. Then I'm going to use our skill, which is this skill right here, to scrape, say, 5 accountants in New York. And then here I'll hit enter to scrape the leads using our skill. Let's give it a second for it to scrape our leads for us. And now here you can see it successfully scraped our leads for us right here. So it found our leads. Here are the leads. Here's the name, title, company name, and their location right here. And then it proceeded to add the leads to this CSV file right here. This is incredible. So here their name, title, company name, location, and the URL right here. To download the CSV file, I'll click on download right here. And then now here we can import the leads that we just generated using Claude. I'll drag the leads right here. I'm going to append to current sheet and click on import data. And here you can successfully see our leads. So here you can see the name, title, company name, location, and their LinkedIn profile URL. You can even try opening one of their profile URLs to preview. This is an actual accountant located in New York, which is one of the leads that we scraped right here. You can try previewing another one. You can see the other lead right here that we scraped using Claude, which is one of the leads that we added right here. This is incredible. We successfully scraped these leads in Claude from the skill that we created over here. So this is a skill that is responsible for scraping our leads. As you can see right here. This is incredible. And here are the leads. This is incredible. So now we can try scraping leads with a different title, industry, or niche. To do that, we're going to use our skill. So you can tell our skill. So from our skill right here, you can tell it And here I'm going to hit enter. So here you can see it successfully scraped our leads for us right here. So it scraped 5 lawyers located in London, UK. Here are their names, titles, company they work in, their location. And here's the CSV file. You can download it right here. You can see the preview of the CSV file. This is incredible. Since it has been downloaded, we can import it right here. So in files, click on import. I'm going to click on upload. To import our file here, you can say append to current sheet and import the data right here. So now here we're going to add a row above to separate the two leads. So here we scrape the accountants and here we scrape the lawyers. Here are their names, titles, company name, locations, and here their LinkedIn profile URLs. You can preview their profile. You can see Jonathan is clearly a lawyer from the UK here. So he's an insurance coverage and policy writing lawyer from the UK. Can preview another lead right here, for example this one right here. So profile name is Lakshmi. He's clearly a lawyer from London, UK. You can see right here. You can see right here. So can tell it to scrape for us 5 property managers in Miami using our skill. And here you can see it successfully scraped the 5 property managers in Miami. Here are their names, title, company name, and their location. Then it added the leads to the CSV file right here. You can see right here. So I'll download it right here and open it. You can see it successfully downloaded it. Downloaded our leads right here. Now to upload the leads to our spreadsheet right here. Click on import. Click on upload right here. And I'm going to drag our leads over here. I'm going to drag our leads over here. Then here I'm going to choose to append to the current file and click on import data. And here you can see we successfully scraped our leads right here. So we scraped 5 property managers in Miami. Here are the names, titles, company they work in, location, and the URL. So now we can try previewing these leads by opening their profile URLs. Okay, and open profiles of the leads. And here you can see Maria is clearly a property manager from Miami. Here's your profile. Same with Andy. These are the Maria right here. So we successfully scraped these 5 property managers and exported the leads as a CSV file using Claude. Let's try scraping the leads. For example, you can tell Claude find me 10 graphic designers, Chicago, and hit enter. So here I'm just choosing to scrape 10 leads, but you can go as high as you want, depending on the plan that you're currently subscribed to. I'm just choosing to scrape only 10 leads. Since this is just an example, give it a minute or two for it to complete scraping the leads for us. So you can see it found our leads. So you can see it successfully found our 10 leads right here. So it found our graphic designers. Here are the names, titles, company they're working in, their location. Here you can see it successfully added the leads to the CSV file that we can download and import our spreadsheet right here. So let's import the leads to preview the leads. Click on upload right here. Now we're going to import the leads. We're going to append to the current file and click on import data. And you can see our 10 graphic designers, so we can separate the leads. So you can see our 10 graphic designers. So here are the names, the title, company name, location, and the URLs right here. So we can try previewing the leads by opening their profile URLs. So you can see this is clearly a graphic designer. Here you can see Derek is clearly a graphic designer in Chicago. Same as Caroline. Same as Caroline and Harvey. This is incredible. So you can try testing one last time. So this time around, you can try scraping automation exports. So this time around, you can tell Claude, find me, let's say 20 automation experts in Austin, Texas, and hit send and hit enter here. Let's give it a second for it to scrape the list for us. Here you can see it successfully scraped our leads right here. We got a total of 14 leads. We asked it to find 20, it found 14. So here are their names, the titles, company name, and their location. And here are the leads. So now to download these CSV file, I'll click on download right here. Then I'll import the file right here. So I'll click on import, click on upload right here, and I'm going to drag our CSV file right here. And here I'm going to click on append to current sheet and click on import data. Here you can see our leads. So now here I'll insert a row above to separate the leads. And here now you can see our 15 leads right here. So these are automation engineers and automation experts in Austin. Here are their LinkedIn profile URLs right here. You can try previewing profiles of the leads. You can see these ones are automation experts located in Austin, similar to this one right here. And this lead right here, this is incredible. We successfully scraped these leads right here automatically using Claude right here. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks using AI or by creating systems to automate them. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.